Hello friends, today I'd like to introduce how to write 九. 九 means 9. Press down, half knee. Move forward, lift up, and press down, move downward. Here, you can gently turn the brush when turning. To the end, move the brush up and lift up slowly. Press down, move down left, slowly lift up. Let's see this was roll of brush. Press down, half knee. To the turning point, lift up and press down, half knee. Change the direction, move downward lightly. Change the direction again. Move forward to right side and gently hook. Press down, move down left, lift up. We should pay attention when we writing 9. Avoid the beginning above the middle 9, and this is stroke too long. If writing is too long, it will not have enough place for the turning hook. It's not good to write like this. Let me give one more demonstration. Beginning under the middle 9, to the turning point, press down and move downward from heavy to light. After turning, from light to heavy, gently hook. Press down, move down left, and slowly lift up. The word will look better if write like this.